Hi, today I've decided to reorganize my fridge. At first glance, it might not seem too bad, but if we take a closer look, you'll see that fridge shelves aren't really organized, all the food is dumped in the fridge in its original packaging, and there are also some items that have expired and must be cleaned out. To make sure I'm thorough, I first remove all the food from the fridge so I could clean it. I had to work fast to avoid all the food sitting out at room temperature, especially dairy and meats. I started off by cleaning the door compartments as they were the easiest to tackle. Fridge shelves can usually be loaded in the dishwasher, but I didn't really have the time with all the food sitting out, so I just washed them by hand. Some plastic on the shelves has yellowed with time, but since this is a rental apartment and therefore a rental fridge, I don't really have the option to just replace it. So I'm gonna have to make do with just cleaning it the best I can. Here I'm using paper towel to wipe the glass dry. Putting the shelves back in was surprisingly the most challenging because the white plastic rim kept bumping into the fridge door, so I had to detach the plastic rim, slide the shelf in, and then put the rim back in place in order to keep the shelves from falling. Now, to organize my groceries and get rid of unappealing packaging, I bought multiple sized plastic fridge containers off of Amazon. Finally, I got to put all the groceries back into the fridge. I didn't change the layout of the fridge door because I liked it. Condiments at the top, eggs below, and drinks on the bottom two shelves. Meat products went into the fridge bin. The lower shelf I assigned for the vegetables. The one above it for dairy and cheese. And the upper shelf for fruit and snacks. I left the very top shelf almost empty to store prepped food and leftovers on it. Now my fridge looks neat, everything is easily accessible, and best of all, less food will spoil because my groceries are now more visible to me. A big thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!